What up, y'all? Should go to. I don't know what that was. What up, y'all? Should go Taliah Jenee, and welcome back to my channel. Micah is not that funny. Shoo. Anyway, what up, y'all? So today, I believe, is a get it all done with me video. I think. I'll know when I put the title up, but for sure I know what I want to do is clean out Micah's closet and pull out my my white bedspread, because I have the navy blue one on there right now and I want to put the white one on there to get ready for spring. And there's a couple other things I wanted to do, but I can't remember, so you'll just find out when you continue watching. But I went to TJ Maxx the other day and picked up new pillows for my bed, just like 2 little rabbits for Easter spring, and I picked up 3 pillows for my bed. My bad, not 2. Let me show them to you. So I thought this pillow was super cute, always in love, and it's like a taupe color with silverish chrome writing. And then I got these 2 fuzzy pillows. I want to start going more glam in my room, which right now, like I said a couple videos back, I was like, I feel like I live in a bachelor pad. So I got some of these like cream colored fluffy pillows. They feel amazing. I also grabbed these 2 little Easter bunnies. Well, I guess Easter spring, but I thought these were super cute, and I just have them sitting on my table right now. But I want to do a whole, I've never done a tablescape before, and I want to try one for spring. I'm not gonna say Easter because Easter's gonna come and go and I'm gonna be late to the party. So I want to try a spring tablescape. So I've been looking on Pinterest and I've been watching a couple other YouTubers, and I know I can do it. I just gotta like find my style, if that makes sense. So I thought these were super cute, and they're ceramic. So $5.99 a piece from TJ Maxx. Amazon guy literally just pulled up. So anyway, I got this knife set. I feel like everybody probably has this knife set, but I really do like it. It's super cute. So I picked that up the other day. Well, I'm saying picked it up. I got it from Amazon. And I also grabbed this cutting board because I had like a cheap cutting board from Walmart, and it literally warped and broke, after having it for a month. I don't even think I had it that long. But this is the cutting board, and I really like it. It was reasonably priced. I think it was $24, and I like it because it comes with like 7 of these mats. So you just set the mat on top and cut whatever you're going to be cutting. So this is closet, and I will be putting his dresser in his closet actually, because his closet's a good size.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time. I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it. You'll swear you're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Just watch me breaking. I swear you're falling into me. Touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me.
So these are some cards I printed off for Micah back last summer, and so he still has like all these cards. My best friend is a teacher, so I have plenty of material from her. What is this? Oh, and we did his first Build-A-Bear. Cute. So I had like already like organized this stuff maybe 6 months ago, and so I guess it's still like relatively organized, but like all these are his highlights that my mom sends him, and this basket was just like flashcards and Play-Doh and things like that, so I am going to keep that stuff in there. That's like independent work he can do on his own. And I just don't like everything to be all out like it was. More flashcards, which I might give some of these to Maddox and put them in his room, because like Micah knows his numbers and he knows how to count and all that good stuff. These are cards I made for him, sight words. I made like a ton. I don't even know where they all went. Oh, here they go. See, they're not where they're supposed to be.
There's no denying what we want. Just watch me breaking. I swear you're falling into me. Touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
So right here, I am scanning our important papers into this app called Scanner, I believe. I'll try to link them down below. And this video isn't sponsored by them or anything like that. But I really do like the app. And I'll scan everything in, and you can either leave it on the app or you can save it to your files on your phone, on your computer, however you want to save them. And I just really wanted to get rid of the paper clutter that was unnecessary, but I needed to keep those papers. And so that's why I chose to take the pictures, put them on a flash drive, and hold them that way. I still do have a tote that you'll see with our papers, but I condensed it down a lot. So here I am spraying, they're called box elder bugs, and they come out in the spring and fall. And I'm only spraying them with Dawn dish soap and hot water. Like, that's all that's in that spray bottle. But they mate like crazy. And when I say like crazy, they will have your whole house covered if you don't handle them. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.